What's up, my curly niestas? It's your girl SHAREEN NICOLE, and I am here to bring you this haircut tutorial. Yes, baby. Yes, let's get right into it. So what I have right here is a mannequin head. And what I did was I plopped my wig right onto the mannequin head. So it's a little different, but it's gonna be okay. For anybody out there who's looking to learn how to cut long layers into their unit, you know, this is the perfect, I wanna say, perfect way to learn for a beginner on how to cut long layers into your wig, you know, per se. So this hair is 100% human hair, and I'm here for it. So I said, all right, let me give it a go. Let me show you guys what it do, okay? And so right here, I'm just detangling the hair and spraying it with lots of water because, child, that thing was tangled, okay? But here, I'm showing you how you want to direct the hair in order to make your first cut. So for me, I like to go right down the center and do a nice cut, and then I will split it on both sides so it's evenly distributed and I can match it up with the rest of the hair, so I know that's my guide. So I know exactly where to start the cut and stop the cut. So you're gonna see that throughout the video. I did cut some pieces out just because it was a little lengthy, and you guys just need to see what you need to see, okay? At some point in this video, I am fighting with this mannequin head and this wig because the wig did not want to stay on the mannequin's head. There you go. And it was a little much. But yeah, y'all see the angles that I'm doing? So for long layers, you want to bring the hair up very high into like a 180-degree angle from the scalp. So it's a little different when you're cutting wigs, and honestly, I never really cut wigs before. I cut human hair because, well, I'm a hairstylist and that's what I do best. So that's what we're getting into right now, is just cutting this unit as if we're cutting a client, honey. So that's all you gotta do, is pretend that you're cutting your client and you are good to go, okay? But you can see right there, I was matching it up with the hair that I previously cut in the center. Now, when you do that, you don't want to take a big section. I mean, unless you know what you're doing, but you don't want to take a big section down the center of the head because it's going to be over directed, if you know what I'm saying, which is like when you take from the center portion of the scalp in order to make your first cut, if it's too wide, the hairs on the outer perimeter are being over directed to the center, therefore causing those hairs to be a little bit longer. But hopefully you get what I'm saying there. So right here, I am doing the face framing for her because I wanted some layers in the front as well. Not that the y'all see that? She fighting with me, y'all. She fighting with me. But not that the hair is not going to be layered all over. So face framing is pretty much when you over direct the hair towards the front, and then you can either slide cut it, or you can go in and pull the hair directly towards you at an angle like I was doing, and then make your cut. So right here, I'm just double checking that all the ends are even. For me, what I like to do is put my layers in first, you know, find out how much the client wants off. Like say she says I want 4 inches off. I'll take 4 inches off the top, run my layers through there, and then after that, what I do is I'll trim up the ends to match the layers. I don't like to take 4 inches off the bottom and then create the layers, because sometimes when you do that, you might end up taking a little bit too much off. And that's just a little tip for all my beginners out there that are cutting clients. Do your layers first and then go around the perimeter. And if they want it a little bit shorter, excuse me, then that's what they could do. But as you can see here, the layers came out beautiful. I'm also gonna demonstrate how it looks on me. And y'all, I am here for it. It came out so good. Like look at that. Y'all see all them layers in that wig? Child, I can't wait to cut me another one. But yes, y'all, I want to thank you for joining this video. I hope all my curly niestas out there are enjoying the videos that I'm putting out. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Also, if this video was informative for you guys, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button. It helps get me out there to the YouTube algorithm and let them know that you like the type of content that I'm putting out. Bye.